How to get best promo codes for discount available for the Crumbl website, that is Crumbl cookies website on your PC. Then how can you get a discount promo code available? For this, I will simply look out to my Edge browser here and search for Crumbl cookies promo codes. Here, after searching it, you have to click the first website, that is top5.com here, and from here you can get top 5 coupon codes for Crumbl. The first one is $10, second one is for $25, and you can simply click on the get code to view this QR or promo code from here. Free gift on your order above $1 lakh, and take free. All type of promo codes are available. Click on get code and you will be seeing a code here. You simply have to copy it and just paste it to your website where you want to redeem it. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.